Former candidate for governor Eliot Cutler will spend 9 months in jail. We first learned about this plea agreement earlier in the week, and a judge accepted that plea in court yesterday. Cutler pleaded guilty to 4 counts of possessing sexually explicit material of a child under the age of 12. Last year, investigators found more than 83,000 videos on computers Cutler had at his home in Portland and Brooklyn. This plea agreement means Cutler will be a registered sex offender for the rest of his life. He will pay $5,000 to the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. In court yesterday, Cutler apologized for what he did.
To my friends and to all the people throughout my life, especially to those in our Maine community who placed their faith and trust in me, who have been shocked, repelled, and disappointed by my behavior, I am profoundly sorry that I let you down.
The Hancock County District Attorney says the plea agreement made sense because there is such a backlog of cases, and Cutler's case likely would not have been tried for at least 3 years. Cutler is currently out on bail but has restrictions for using the internet. He reports to jail June 1st. Now, the maximum penalty for a case like this in Maine is 5 years in prison and a $5,000 fine. Cutler was sentenced to 4 years in jail with all but 9 months removed of that. Former Maine State Senator Bill Diamond has long been an advocate for children and says Cutler should have been tried in federal court.
I just worry this sends a huge message that we're not putting our kids at the highest priority. If we did, and if we do, then we would say that this violation, this breaking of the law, this violation of kids is much more serious and should be treated that way when it comes to sentencing.
If this case had been a federal case, Cutler would have faced 10 years in prison and a fine of $250,000.